Hey everyone, my name is Likita Avar and welcome back to my channel Legal Shots with Vakil. In this video, I will be explaining about all this confusion you guys are having about fees, float and what to do next. I know आज ही आपका कैप राउंड 1 का रिजल्ट्स आ गया है एंड आप में से बहुत लोगों को कॉलेज अलॉट हुआ है, बहुत लोगों को नहीं हुआ है. सो आई विल बी सून मेकिंग अ वीडियो ऑल्सो टू दो स्टूडेंट्स एड्रेसिंग अगर आपको कॉलेज नहीं मिला है तो व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. In this video, I will be talking about the rules of CET, what to do next if you have been allotted a college in your cap round 1. So the first and foremost rule is to check which college number in your list you have got it. If you have got the college which you had put it in your first preference, then you don't have any other option but to go and take admission into that particular college. बिकॉज क्लियरली CET के रूल्स में लिखा हुआ है कि अगर आपने प्रेफरेंस में फर्स्ट GLC डाला था एंड आपको भी GLC मिल रहा है तो यू हैव टू गो एंड टेक एडमिशन ओवर देयर. लीव GLC, अगर आपने कोई दूसरा भी कॉलेज फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस में डाला था अपने लिस्ट में एंड आपको वही कॉलेज मिला है अलॉट होके, तो यू हैव टू टेक एडमिशन इनटू दैट कॉलेज. देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन. एंड टू टेक एडमिशन फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फ्रीज दैट. Pay 1,000 rupees. Paying 1,000 rupees is the most important step. You have to do it. And after that, you have to go to that particular college with all your documents and confirm your admission. Now, this is only for these students who have got the college which they had put into their first preference. And अगर आप ये प्रोसेस फॉलो नहीं करते, अगर आप 1,000 रुपीज़ पे नहीं करते, आप कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं लेते हो जाके, तो आपका एडमिशन कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड आपको सेकेंड राउंड में पार्टिसिपेट करने का ऑप्शन नहीं है. आपको डायरेक्टली थर्ड राउंड जो है उसमें इंस्टीट्यूशनल राउंड में पार्टिसिपेट करने का ऑप्शन रहेगा, बट यू विल बी नॉट बी एलिजिबल फॉर राउंड 2. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अगर आपको आपका जो कॉलेज अलॉट हुआ है वो नंबर 2, नंबर 3 ऐसे पे था आपकी लिस्ट में, then you have an option. There are two options. One is either freeze or go for betterment. Now it is up to you. अगर आपको फ्रीज करके आपने सोचा होगा कि आपको यही कॉलेज मिल रहा है, ILS मिल रहा है, आपने सोच लिया होगा कि आपको ILS में एडमिशन लेना है, then you can go and take admission. But if you want to go for betterment for GLC or any other colleges, then you can click on that betterment option and go for the betterment route. Now even in this, many people are having this most common query ki if I go for betterment, this particular college which I am getting right now, will that be there or no? So the simple answer to this question is you will get this particular college which you have got right now and you can still go for betterment. For that, only thing you have to do is you have to pay rupees 1,000 rupees. You have to go for betterment and pay rupees 1,000 rupees in your login portal. That means you will be getting the same college if you don't get an other college in the betterment list. That means this seat is at least secured. So to all the students who are texting me on my Instagram asking me should we go for freeze or betterment, I would tell, if you're getting some not renowned colleges, go for betterment. Please, let's try your luck. You never know, in next round you might get some other good college. So please go for betterment. But for that, the criteria is you have to pay 1,000 rupees. You have to log in into your student portal and pay rupees 1,000. Now many students ask me how to log in into your portal and all. Please don't ask me because I have not registered for CET, so I cannot log in into anyone's portal and see how it. Now there is this particular general rule which is applicable for all the students. That is, if you're going for betterment, you have to put a new list. आपकी जो पहली लिस्ट अभी फर्स्ट लिस्ट में आपने जो डाली होगी, दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल एप्लीकेबल फॉर राउंड 2. फॉर राउंड 2 यू हैव टू कंप्लीटली चेंज एंड पुट अ न्यू लिस्ट. Even if you are going for betterment and even if you have not allotted any college, you have to put a new list. That is a rule by CET and you all have to follow that. And yes, do it before the deadline. Whatever the deadlines is given by CET, you have to do it before that. And last but not the least, you can text me and let me know what all colleges you guys have allotted. I will be very happy to know that. And अगर आप में से किसी को GLC, ILS ऐसे colleges मिले हैं, then please let me know. I will be very happy to know that our Legal Shots with Vakil family is studying into these colleges. And yes, for any help, I'm always there. Please DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram link I will be giving in the description. And one more thing, I will be making 2 more videos about how to check that voucher, and the another one is what to do if you have not been allotted any college. So please keep waiting until we meet. The video has been adjourned. Bye bye.